Hello everyone. This is a 2014 Nissan Rogue. We had a leaking sunroof, so the flooring was all wet, the headliner was wet. It was just a mess. Like, we honestly had 2 inches of water in the bottom that we had to clean up. Tried to find on the internet how to clean these sunroof drains out, which I found. I found lots of them actually, which is really helpful. But on the Rogue, I was just going to show you, there is a little channel on each side. If you just take a wire, go basically at a 45, push it in, it'll feed right in. I used actually clothesline for this. You can see it's not very big, but it's rigid. It allows you to push it in. It does bend around corners. I think the casing on it's really good because it makes it slippery and it flows better. What I didn't find on the internet, and it took me a few hours today to figure this problem out, and I thought I can save somebody a whole bunch of time. So the way these drains work is each corner of the sunroof has, it's like a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch line, and it runs from this corner and it comes through, goes down your A-pillar, and then the water drains out the bottom of the fender. So in my eyes, I thought, okay, this thing's so plugged, I've got to find the end of the tubing. So I made the mistake, and don't do this. I pulled the wheel off. I actually pulled the inner fender out, the inner skirt, thinking I'm going to magically find the end of this tube. It wasn't there, so I wasted a whole bunch of time doing that. So I couldn't find anywhere that showed where this thing ends. So I'm going to show you. So in the engine compartment, there's your wiper shroud. If you pull your your wiper blades off, I think they're 15 mil bolts. There's, I think, 7 of these little clips like this. This thing pops off. I took the wiper motor out just so I could get to it, but this is where your sunroof drains to. There's your left one, there's your right one. So it just dumps into here, runs down the inner fender, and comes out the bottom. So the problem I had was mine was so plugged that I couldn't even get my wire through to the end. Worked at it. So once I found these things, there's actually a little piece in the middle here. Not sure if you can see it. I don't know the purpose of it, but that was blocking me from getting a wire through. So I just took a screwdriver, I snapped that off. Then I could go in from this way with my wire, boom, done, drained right out. I probably could have done this job in like 15 minutes instead of the 3 hours it took me by taking wheels off. So yeah, so now you know where the sunroof drains end. Enjoy.